They say France is a dream, a land of romance, history, and unparalleled beauty. A place where every corner holds a story, every street whispers a secret, and every sunset paints a masterpiece across the sky. It's a destination that has captivated hearts and imaginations for centuries. But I wanted to see if that dream was real, to step beyond the postcards and experience the true essence of this enchanting country. I wanted to feel the pulse of its cities, breathe in the scent of its countryside, and taste the flavors of its rich culinary heritage. From timeless villages where cobblestone streets wind through centuries of history, to dazzling coastlines where the turquoise waters meet dramatic cliffs and sandy beaches, join me as I uncover France's most breathtaking treasures, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems, each with its own unique charm and allure. We'll explore the grandeur of its palaces, the serenity of its gardens, and the vibrancy of its local markets. Hello everyone, welcome to my adventure in France. I'm so excited to share this incredible journey with you. For the next few minutes, I'll take you to 10 magical places that will leave you speechless, each a testament to the country's beauty and cultural richness. Get ready to be transported to a world of wonder, where history, art, and nature converge in perfect harmony. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this unforgettable exploration of France together. Before we embark on our journey to France's most enchanting destinations, let's take a moment to understand what truly makes this country so unique. France is more than just a collection of beautiful places. It's an experience, a feeling, a way of life. Imagine waking up to the soft sound of church bells echoing through a sleepy village, the aroma of freshly baked croissants drifting from a corner bakery. Picture bustling morning markets, overflowing with vibrant produce, and the laughter of locals greeting each other like old friends. From the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux to the sun-dappled squares of Marseille, every region has its own rhythm and flavor. The French art de vivre, art of living, is woven into daily life. Whether it's lingering over a café au lait, savoring a leisurely meal with friends, or simply pausing to admire a sunset over the countryside. It's a place where tradition and innovation coexist, where centuries-old cathedrals stand side by side with modern masterpieces, and where every meal, every conversation, and every stroll becomes a cherished memory. As we travel from north to south, city to coast, and mountain to valley, keep an eye out for these subtle moments, the gestures, the colors, the sounds that together form the heartbeat of France. It's in these details that you'll discover the true soul of the country and perhaps even a piece of yourself. Now, with our senses awakened and our curiosity piqued, let's begin our exploration of France's most breathtaking treasures. Paris, the city of light. From the Eiffel Tower's glow to lively cafes, it's a place where dreams come alive and every moment feels magical. Mont Saint-Michel rises from the sea like a fairy tale, mysterious, timeless, and utterly breathtaking. Provence in summer is a sea of lavender, filling the air with color and fragrance, a paradise for the senses. The French Riviera dazzles with turquoise waters, luxury yachts, and sun-soaked glamour along the Mediterranean coast. In Chamonix, the Alps soar skyward, snowy peaks, crisp air, and the thrill of adventure beneath Mont Blanc. Before we continue our journey to more breathtaking destinations, let's take a moment to savor the essence of France beyond its landscapes and landmarks. Every corner of this country is alive with vibrant traditions, mouth-watering cuisine, and celebrations that bring people together in joy. Imagine starting your morning in a bustling village market. The air is rich with the aroma of freshly baked baguettes and croissants, while local vendors offer colorful displays of cheese, fruits, and pastries. The sounds of friendly banter and laughter fill the air as neighbors greet each other, and the rhythm of daily life unfolds with a unique French flair. Food here is more than a meal, it's an experience. From the delicate macarons of Parisian patisseries to the robust flavors of Provençal ratatouille simmering on a family stove, every bite tells a story. In the heart of Lyon, often called the gastronomic capital of France, small bistros or bouchons serve up hearty dishes passed down through generations. But it's not just about food, it's about celebration. Throughout the year, villages and cities across France come alive with festivals. Picture the Lavender Festival in Provence, where the fields are awash in purple and the streets are filled with music and laughter. Or the Fête de la Musique, when the entire country becomes a stage and melodies float through the air from every corner. And then there are the timeless traditions, like pétanque matches under the shade of plane trees, or leisurely afternoons spent at a sidewalk cafe, sipping espresso and watching the world go by. These simple pleasures are at the very heart of French life. As we continue exploring this extraordinary country, remember that France is not just a place to see, it's a place to feel, taste, and celebrate. Now, let's uncover even more of its wonders. The Loire Valley, the Garden of France, is a land of kings and queens steeped in history. Imagine yourself surrounded by royal intrigue and the grandeur of the French Renaissance. We're about to explore its magnificent chateau and uncover their secrets. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty and historical significance of the Loire Valley. Castles so grand they feel like stepping into another century. These aren't just buildings, they're time capsules, preserving the opulence of a bygone era. Picture yourself strolling through lavishly decorated halls. Each castle boasts its own unique character. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow, you'll feel a sense of wonder. Nature's sculpture garden, carved by the sea. The ocean has sculpted these cliffs into a breathtaking display of natural artistry. Imagine standing at the edge, feeling the wind and the spray of the waves. The chalky white stone contrasts dramatically with the deep blue of the ocean. Standing here feels like the edge of the world. The vastness of the ocean stretches out before you. The wind howls, carrying the scent of salt. Below, the waves crash against the cliffs. It's a place where you can escape everyday life and find peace. Alsace is a fairy tale come to life, every corner bursting with colors and old-world charm. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets lined with half-timbered houses adorned with vibrant flowers. Canals wind their way through the towns, reflecting the colorful buildings and creating a scene of idyllic beauty. Rural France at its finest. Untouched landscapes and villages frozen in time. The Dordogne region is a haven of tranquility. Rolling hills, lush forests, and winding rivers create a landscape that is both breathtaking and serene. The villages are charming and picturesque. The tallest sand dune in Europe, a surreal meeting of forest, sand, and sea. Imagine standing atop this colossal dune, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet. The Dune du Pilat is a truly unique and awe-inspiring natural wonder. As the sun sets, the dune is bathed in a golden light. But beyond the famous landmarks and celebrated regions, France is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Tucked away from the crowds, these secret spots offer a more intimate glimpse into the soul of the country. Picture wandering through the medieval lanes of Perouche, a perfectly preserved village where time seems to stand still. Or imagine the lavender fields of Sceaux, blooming in a sea of purple beneath the summer sun, far from the bustle of Provence's tourist hotspots. Venture south to the Camargue, where wild white horses roam free across salt marshes and pink flamingos wade in shimmering lagoons. In the Pyrenees, tiny mountain hamlets reveal breathtaking views and a rich tapestry of traditions untouched by modern rush. And in Brittany, hidden coves and windswept cliffs hold secrets only the locals know. These off-the-beaten-path destinations invite you to slow down, savor the quiet moments, and connect with the authentic heart of France. Sometimes the most unforgettable adventures are the ones you never planned. France isn't just a country. It's truly a feeling, a place where beauty lives in every single detail, where every journey leaves a little piece of itself within your heart. Until our next adventure. À bientôt, France. Now, it's your turn to write the next chapter. Whether you're drawn to the lavender fields of Provence, the sparkling streets of Paris, or the quiet corners of a coastal village, France is waiting for you to discover its magic. Pack your curiosity, bring your sense of wonder, and let your own journey unfold. Share your dream destinations in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more unforgettable adventures. Bon voyage!